In this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about a quality of resiliency. It's something that we find in many of our carpet cleaning businesses that we deal with. So stay tuned. I think you'll find this one interesting. So one of the things we think about with the word resilience is just being able to drive forward and keep things going. The actual definition for the word resilient is, the first definition is able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. The second definition is able to recoil or spring back into shape after bending, stretching, or being compressed. Those two definitions really fit well with what happens in business, because external forces can compress us, stretch us, bend us. Are we able to quickly recover? That's the quality of being a good entrepreneur, and it's a quality that really stands out in our industry. Here at Excellent Supply, we talk to carpet cleaners every day, and we've found that through thick or thin, whether there's ups or downs, whatever forces are working against us, our industry continues to chug along forward. For example, I started my business in the early 80s, and I've seen recessions, the World Trade Center collapse, a whole variety of different things, and yet things have continued to move forward nicely. So it seems that our industry is relatively resilient. And that's partly made up because of, when you think about the folks that work in our industry, they're hard-working people. Through this past year of COVID, let's face it, a lot of businesses sadly have gone under. We see businesses in our community that are no longer there. But as a whole, carpet cleaners, those in the cleaning industry, have continued to move forward. Why is that the case? Well, typically, those in our industry think outside the box. They're creative. They're hard-working individuals. They're not the type of people that will throw their hands up. They keep going forward. They don't give up. So one of the things that really stands out within our industry is if something starts to slide sideways, what we find typically is that our guys in our industry will find another angle. For example, as carpet has diminished residentially, it's still quite prominent in commercial, but as it's continued to kind of diminish in the last few years residentially, cleaners have opened up other opportunities with rug washing or hard surface restoration and cleaning. So those are some things that you might think about if you haven't already, if you need to add to your arsenal. Here at Excellent Supply, we carry those products. We carry Stone Pro products for hard surface floor care. We've also just recently brought in basic coatings for wood floor care. So if you haven't looked at other opportunities to expand your business, you can certainly do that. One thing though that seems to just continue to go forward, if you're doing your business well, is commercial. Commercial continues to go. Now it's true that during the pandemic, some businesses were closed, but they have been reopening, and there's been a great need for people to get in there and get those carpets cleaned again. So what's impressive about our industry is that our industry is truly resilient. It continues to go forward regardless of what happens around us. It's like the old saying, the show will go on. So it's something that we certainly appreciate about our industry, and it's something that we can take to heart as business owners. We don't have to be fearful that the sky is going to fall and that we're going to be in a situation that we're going to go under. But continue to plan and act wisely in your business, and no doubt you're going to find that regardless of what happens in the world around us, our businesses will continue to be resilient, because that's been what I've seen, at least for almost 40 years now. So it's nice to see, and it's nice to be a part of an industry that has the ability to continue with forward motion regardless of conditions. So continue to work hard in your business, be creative, and reach out to us here at Excellent Supply. We're here to help you be successful, to help you max your NCAP. If there's anything we can do along those lines, that's what we're here for. So don't hesitate to call on us. And again, we appreciate you watching. Please hit the comments below, share your comments about how you're being resilient, and also hit the like and subscribe. We appreciate it when you do that as well. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.